Hello, this is Dr. Susan Marra with Dr. Marra's Medical Minutes, and today we're going to talk about how to prep before the Igenex blood draw. So for most of my patients, they do have chronic infection, and that means that the infection has been there for several months to several years to decades, and the organisms are as a result largely deep in the tissue. They are not in the blood. And so when you draw the blood, if you don't do some preparation, it's going to come back negative. And that's why all of you patients, slip through the cracks in the regular medical industry. Some of the things that you can do to help yourself have a positive test so that you can get proper treatment is, of course, do the herb challenge for 14 days. Get the blood tested right before your menses if you're still menstruating. But the other things that you can do to help bring the organisms out of the tissue and into the blood is you can do a rebounder, which is a little tiny trampoline that you can get on Amazon, and you can do that for 10 minutes maybe, or 15 minutes, and you can get a deep tissue massage, and you can exercise. So like running, jumping on the trampoline, even walking, it stimulates blood flow. Blood flow goes to the organs, gets the tissue, brings the stuff out. So I always like to have people do a deep tissue massage, and even a hot sauna can help vasodilate and bring those organisms out. So hot sauna, deep tissue massage, exercise, rebounder before you do the Igenex test for whatever it is that you're testing for. And that will help you have a positive test if you have tick-borne infection. Now, of course, your test is not going to be positive if you don't have the infections. That's of course, but we're trying to set it up in such a way that if you do have it and you've been chronically ill, that we capture the organisms so I know how to treat them for you, because it matters. It matters what organisms you have, because different antibiotics, antiparasitics, and herbs treat these organisms differently. And so you kind of have to know which ones you have. So I thought that might be useful for me to do a video about the preparation before the Igenex test. And I hope that you found this useful. I hope you have a wonderful day. Take care.